When the summer heat feels too much, sometimes you just want something light and cold. In this kitchen, we start with a simple broth, a few fresh toppings, and noodles that cool you from the inside. This is not just a meal. It's comfort designed for hot days. Let's make this bowl together, one that brings a little calm to your summer.